All right, we're back in St. George at the John Morgan Electric Fun Fly, and we are with Jerry and with Brent. And Brent is maidening. This is the maiden flight of Jerry's. Wait for it.
Beach stagger
Well,
wing?
no, I know. No, I was dramatic effect, but okay.
Ah.
I know it's a beach stagger wing.
Okay.
There are not many planes you're gonna throw at me. I don't know, but 3D printed. There's the dramatic effect. 3D printed beach stagger wing. And look at this. Well, first off, how many times do you see a beach stagger wing, right? Secondly, this thing's all 3D printed by the mad scientist himself, Jerry. I mean, he brought this collection with him of some planes you will simply not believe. But
Fly's really nice, actually.
how's she flying, Brent? What do you think?
Fly's really good. It needs a steerable tail wheel, but other than that, fly's pretty sweet.
Uh-oh, I just lost you. Where are you? Okay. Pretty well balanced?
Yeah, it's not bad.
All right, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is the inverted test to see how the plane's balanced. Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Tail broke off.
Oh, well.
Oh, no.
That's just like...
Oh, no. Well, we were doing so well. Let's walk out and see what's going on with it. Tail fell off. The tail departed. Well, looking, 3D printed. Hey, you just make more parts. Okay, so there's part of it.
I got the tail.
Okay, there's part of it. And there's the remainder of the model. Well, that's too bad. That is just too bad. Doggone it. Ah. Oh well. These things happen. Yeah, looks like she's a write-off. Well, I'm sorry, Jerry, but hey, she was flying good though.
Hey,
Hey, you know she'll fly good, right?
you bet.
So now it's just a matter of printing the parts again.
That's the beauty of 3D printing.
Yeah.
Another one.
Hey, you know what flies? So that's the proof in the pudding right there, right? So
I'm sorry? Is there supposed to be a carbon tube that goes through the fuselage?
there's the tail.
There's like a hole for a tube, right?
Yeah,
Probably needs one of those.
probably needs one.
I think it's most, like all the equipment survived though, I think. So
Okay.
the battery looked alright.
The battery
Excellent.
looks fine, the motor looks... I mean, the prop is trash.
Yeah, I think there's supposed to be a 1/4-inch carbon tube in that little slot right there.
Oh, okay.
That would have probably helped.
Okay. But otherwise, it flew good.
It flew
Falls up
really-
there.
it was flying really nice.
All right, Bentley crash crew. All right. All right, Jerry got the tail. Well, you know what? I got some video of her in flight, brother. So hey, you know what? Well, at least we got video of her flying.
It's got a crash. It might as well be spectacular.
There you go. Well, watch your step in there, my friend.
Now, that's the reason I bring so many airplanes.
Well,
Because
I'll tell you what.
hard to fix in the field,
Yeah.
and always want something to fly,
Yeah. Well, you know what? And again, happy thoughts. Hey, at least it flies. You saw it fly. You know
Oh,
what?
God,
It
yes.
worked. It worked. So,
Yeah, and it's just,
how's it? Okay. It's just
the seams failed,
yeah, the seams failed. Alrighty. Well, I'll let you get on up there.
and that's what we need to know.
All right. We're at the John Morgan Electric Fun Fly 2022 variety. It's a Thursday, and the gathering of eagles, our annual gathering of eagles up here. And thanks for watching, everybody. It's part of the RC life. This is part of modeling. And Jerry's, I'm sure, is going to print another one. So hey, it's the name of the game. So thank you for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Blue skies, fair winds, and happier landings. And all the best from Just Wing It. Cheers, everybody.